On the way to the post office, I'm super excited. I believe I have a package waiting for me there. And I believe that it's from California. I believe there may be a drone in it. And I am super excited about it. I had to get it at the post office because I have people stealing Amazon packages off my front doorstep. So I just redirected it to the post office so that wouldn't happen, because that was going to be a bummer. And I wasn't going to let it happen. So I'm going in right now. I just parked right out front. Hopefully it's there. So it turns out there was a package there. And it came all the way from California, from Rebuild FPV, in this box here. I'm gonna bring it inside. Let's see what's in there. So I'm just gonna do a little poorly videotaped unboxing. I gotta hold the camera with one hand. I don't have any other solution for it right now, but okay, so this is a box. Let's see, Rebuild sent me coupons for, what is this? Quaker Chewy Bars, which are awesome. Spam, always a classic. And oh, wait a minute. Something's down there. Look at this, a lollipop. Look at this. What's this? And there it is.